What if the sun decided to attack Earth? Not with the heat, not with the fire, but with something invisible. Something so powerful it could obliterate satellites, cripple global internet, shut down power grids, and erase years of data in seconds. This isn't science fiction, this already happened, and it will happen again. The only question is, will we survive it? Stick around because in this video we are diving into the terrifying truth about coronal mass ejection and how one cosmic sneeze from the sun could throw our entire planet into chaos. Now let's start with what is coronal mass ejection. The sun may look calm from Earth, but its surface is a violent sea of plasma. A coronal mass ejection or CME is a massive bubble of magnetized plasma hurled from the sun at millions of kilometers per hour. Imagine billions of tons of superheated gas traveling faster than a speeding bullet straight toward Earth. It's different from solar flares. While flares are a burst of light and energy, CMEs are actual physical matter, and if they hit us, the effects are terrifyingly real. A single CME can release more than 1 billion nuclear bombs, yet it's completely invisible to the naked eye. Now what will happen when a CME hits Earth? When a CME slams into the Earth's magnetic field, it distorts our magnetosphere, the invisible shield that protects us. The result: satellite failures, GPS malfunctions, communication blackouts, airline reroutes, massive power grid outages, internet disruptions that could last weeks or months. But here's where it gets scarier. If a CME is strong enough, it could induce ground currents in power lines, frying transformers and causing continent-wide blackouts. And guess what? It already happened. March 13, 1989, Quebec, Canada. A CME knocked out power for 6 million people in under 2 minutes. Transformers melted, power lines overheated, the city went dark instantly. But that was nothing. 1859, the Carrington event, the most powerful CME in recorded history. Telegraph machines sparked and caught fire. Aurora Borealis was seen as far south as Cuba, and Earth's magnetic field was so disturbed a compass needle spun in circles. And if that happened today, experts estimate it would cost $2 trillion in damages, with recovery taking years. Because today everything runs on electricity and data. Banking, flights, military, hospitals, even your refrigerator. And unlike in 1859, we now have over 5,000 satellites orbiting Earth, all of which are highly valuable to CMEs. And here's the twist: the sun is entering solar maximum, the most active part of its 11-year cycle. That means more sunspots, more flares, more CMEs. And according to NASA and NOAA, we are officially in the danger zone. The risk of major solar storm is not just rising, it's here. And the question is, can we shield Earth? Not really. We can monitor the sun using satellites like SOHO or Stereo. We can predict CME's arrival times, usually with just a 24 to 48 hours warning, but we can't stop it. The best we can do is prepare, hardening transformers, creating satellite kill switches, building backup internet systems. Still, even the best defenses may not be enough. So what does this mean for you? If a major CME hit, you might wake up to no power, no internet, no phone signal, no banking access, no GPS, no warning. Imagine waking up and your phone won't turn on, your fridge is dead, ATMs aren't working, and there is no way to call for help. Experts recommend backup batteries, stored water and food, emergency radios, printed maps, and keeping cash on hand. It might sound extreme, but in the face of a solar superstorm, minutes can mean survival. So will the next CME be a harmless burst of light, or will it be the one that rewrites human history? The truth is, we don't know, but when it comes, the world might change in just 17 hours, the time it takes for a CME to reach Earth. Don't wait for that day. And if you found this video eye-opening, then you need to understand what's coming next. Click here to watch what is the solar cycle and why does it matter, because sun is just getting started and this cycle may bring the storm that changes everything. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, share this video, and I'll meet you in the next video.